How to use the Eisenhower Matrix for better productivity and performance. Dwight Eisenhower was America's 34th president who served from 1953 to 1961. In his 8 years of office, Eisenhower achieved many great things for the US and himself. He became the first Supreme Commander of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, the President of Columbia University, and yet still set aside time for himself, including personal activities like artistry and golf. As you can see, Eisenhower got stuff done. Eisenhower was productive and efficient. In the 21st century, we often struggle with this. A majority of the time, the lack of motivation gets the better of us and leaves us feeling overwhelmed. Then, as a result, we procrastinate and avoid things that need to be done. So Eisenhower created the Eisenhower Matrix, a universal model to promote productivity. What is the Eisenhower Matrix? The Eisenhower Matrix is a strategic method of maintaining organization in your daily routine. Why should you be productive? To-do lists are one of the easiest methods to manage your productivity. Simply write all the tasks you need to be done and slowly check them off one by one. But why should you be productive? No matter what the task is, if you work productively and efficiently, you're more likely to complete more tasks. The more tasks you complete, the more time you have to do the things that you enjoy, i.e. watching a film, going out with friends or family, or playing your favorite sports. Not only can productivity be good for time management, but it can also be good for your emotions. Have you ever ticked off a task on your list and felt that tiny bit of sweet release? Well, that's the feeling of accomplishment which releases dopamine into your system, and dopamine boosts your mood. Why wouldn't you want to feel accomplished and happy? See, the thing is, it's easier said than done. People struggle to be productive for a variety of reasons, including having a lack of purpose, boredom, late starts, and distractions. If you don't have a purpose, it's difficult to know why you're doing the task that you're doing. It can feel repetitive, which can lead to boredom, which can lead to procrastination and distraction. Especially in the 21st century, technological devices are a massive distraction, particularly regarding social media. Instead of completing daily tasks, we find other ways to fill our time, which causes the pressure to pile up even more. Although it can be extremely difficult sometimes, your day should be about balance. A balance of work, tasks, and relaxation. Too much focus can also be unproductive and cause you to feel overwhelmed. But this isn't necessary. By using the Eisenhower Matrix, you can structure your tasks in a more organized way that helps you to be more proactive. How to use the Eisenhower Matrix? The Eisenhower Matrix requires you to write down all of the tasks that need to be done, and then sort them out into important or not important, and urgent or not urgent. It looks a little like this. So, let's break this down. You have do. Anything that's extremely important and urgent, i.e., write an article that's within a time limit, should be the first task that you need to complete before anything else. Decide. If the task's important, but it can be scheduled at a later time or date, i.e. calling a family member, then do this. While still necessary, it can be moved. However, don't forget to schedule. Scheduling will ensure that your tasks are in order so that you don't forget. Delegate. If the tasks are urgent but not important, i.e. answering an email, asking someone else to help you out will relieve the pressure off you slightly. Delete. If the tasks aren't urgent or important, i.e. scrolling on social media, then get rid of them. When you do eventually find time, you can do this. But for now, they shouldn't be on your list of things to do. When you're trying to decide where to put the task, you should consider: what is your overall goal? Does the task help you to accomplish this? If your primary focus is to get ahead at work, then you should eliminate the tasks that don't help you to do this. For example, answering unrelated emails or using social media won't help you to achieve your work tasks. What do you value most? What tasks relate to these values? If one of your key values is family and friendship, then focusing solely on work, for example, may distract you from your key values. Therefore, tasks like meeting or chatting to your friends or family may be marked as important to you and your values, but not urgent. You can schedule this for when your urgent tasks have been completed. Comparing your tasks to your goals and values will help you to determine what tasks are more urgent or important than others. By doing so, you can structure your time, focus on more urgent tasks, and eliminate any unhelpful, unimportant behaviors.